alignment of all employees with the work processes of the organization is very important towards successful working. I wish to share one real-time story. Quality audit reports suggested that the Indian office of a foreign MNC needed to improve in order to meet the organization's quality standards. Indian office created a task force and invited them for brainstorming on the subject for solution finding. Among the many, one suggestion was to align all new employees joining the organization to undergo instructor-led trainings on company's work processes, quality standards and expectations. Post-session, attendees to be interviewed for having understood the job requirement and quality expectations, and those found still not aligned to undergo the relevant training modules again. Manager operation outrightly rejected these suggestions, citing reason that they were hiring professionals to work and not running a training center. He finally implemented a work process which did not look convincing but satisfied his whims and fancies. Foreign office's first reaction was WTF, but they preferred to ignore it as an Indian's problem. Program was rolled down. It did not have any merits and hence failed. After 3 years, the situation further deteriorated, and during the execution of a work share project, managers from the offices abroad scrapped it, not believing the fake data generated by the Indian office in support to prove its worth. There is only one way to do the work right, and there are hundreds to do it wrong. To do the work right for the first time, it is important for any organization to align all old and new employees with their work processes, work culture, and quality expectation, etc., so that all employees work in alignment with the same direction to achieve the expected results by all individuals, all teams, all projects, and the whole organization as such. It does not allow for deviations, different outcomes, and excuses like we used to do this way in our previous employment. Many of you would be able to correlate with this. If yes, I welcome comments for the benefit of others.